dive right into this explainer. We're talking safe, hands-on science experiments you can easily do at home. But wait, how do we unlock the magic of science safely? Well, let's lay down some ground rules first. We're following the gold standard here, the American Chemical Society's safety guidelines, made especially for young scientists like us. So definitely rock those splash-proof goggles, tie back that long hair, wash your hands, and throw away waste properly.
All right, first concept, endothermic chemical reactions. They release carbon dioxide gas, which builds up some seriously cool pressure.
Check this out. Just mix baking soda and vinegar and watch the chemistry literally inflate a balloon for you. You can actually take that exact same reaction outside to create a spectacularly colorful erupting foam volcano. Want to level up? Ask yourself, does the temperature of the vinegar actually change how fast it erupts? Okay, moving on to capillary action. Sounds fancy, but it's basically the magical way water walks upward. Believe it or not, this exact same phenomenon is how massive trees pull water up through their roots. Want to see it in action? Simply connect some cups of colored water using folded paper towels. Give it a few hours. The water literally walks, blending those primary colors into awesome new shades. For our final trick, DIY lava lamps. First, we gotta compare polar water and non-polar oil molecules. Since oil and water literally repel each other, setting this up is super simple. The heavy water sinks. Drop in Alka-Seltzer and boom, gas bubbles carry the color water up, pop, and sink right back down. Finally, I'll leave you with this to test out safely. What happens if you sprinkle in some salt?